Hi everyone, I'm CelesteOrchid and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is actually my birthday! Woo, birthday time! Today's video is not just about my birthday, birthday girl, but it is to introduce to you a brand new series launching here on CelesteOrchid YouTube channel. This brand new series is called Sew Your Stash. Sew Your Stash was originally based off of using items from my sewing stash, but as I've come a long way into making the episodes for this series, I decided that I wanted to create it a lot with anything that I had around the house, repurposing it and turning it into something that I will start using in my everyday normal wear or for cosplay. Thus being, today is episode premiere 1, so this is the premiere episode. Some people don't claim this as like episode 1, but I will claim it as episode 1 because it's my birthday and I'm gonna do what I wanna do, and that's gonna be uploading this video for you guys here on July 21st. Do I need to tell you guys my birthday age? No, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna tell you. But I am excited to show you this mini tutorial series of Sew Your Stash. Sew Your Stash will be uploaded on Tuesdays. So yeah, I'll be doing that. Why Tuesdays, you ask? Oh, I just kind of randomly just decided to do it on a Tuesday since weekends are for cosplay days. It kind of sucks because like there's not really conventions going on, and if there are conventions going on, you shouldn't be going to it because we're in lockdown. Hopefully the whole plague virus thing going on has finished, and when you're watching this video, you'll just be like, wow, whew, that was a thing of the past and at least we're safe. Sort of. I hope you like this brand new series starting with this video, and if you do, please go ahead and click that red button down below to subscribe to never miss out on any future project. It's weird because I wanted to say cosplay projects so badly. Today on Sew Your Stash, I'm going to be repurposing old chains, a keychain charm, and a choker to create a brand new body chain. This is going to be a very easy tutorial, and you can do this a few different ways. I actually created another one like this over here. I'll demonstrate and model for you right now. So I made 2 of them. I actually got 2 of these Triforce like keychains, and they actually light up. I don't know how to fix that, but anyways, it does light up. I'm super excited to show you guys this little mini tutorial about using things and having fun and being creative. So let's go ahead and get into the premiere of Sew Your Stash. Where are my mustaches? I bought mustaches specifically for this series and I cannot find them.
So what I wanted to do is make sure I grabbed a lot of things to use for creating a brand new body chain. I was at first thinking of using this pearl chain and gold, but I decided to actually use some different colors and a broken necklace to begin this project. Go through your jewelry box or see what you have at home and see what you can use for your keychain body chain. Because my keychains were still sealed, I'm going to rip open this kind of like the Dexter's Laboratory episode of NRFB. Never remove from box, but in this case, it's just a keychain. And if you have any old keychains, you don't have to do this process, so go ahead and skip this part if you're not opening a brand new keychain. This body chain is going to look like Bianca's from our Hunkamuller haul. I'm going to be using an old black velvet choker, the keychain charm, and old necklace chains. Side note, this was a super thick necklace and had several layers of chains braided into one big necklace chain. I took it apart to have several small black chains. I'm first going to remove all the keychain bits off of the Triforce charm, and I'm going to keep one jump ring in it. Next, sew the charm to the middle of the choker. Make sure to save all these keychain bits for later. Finally, I added 2 extra long chains to the charm that would fit around my body and hang. These don't need a proper measurement, but needs to be large enough to slip over your shoulders and bust line. The additional tools I needed for this was a needle and thread and some jewelry pliers. Just in case if it wasn't clear, these 2 chains that go around the body are 2 different lengths, and they are just 2 giant circles attached to that jump ring where the charm is. And that is how it goes. If you want to put it on, you slip it around your body and then fasten the choker to keep the chains in place. And that is completely done. Time for the next one. The second body chain takes a bit more effort and more broken jewelry pieces. You'll need lots of chain for this one. I ended up using 3 long pieces just for the bottom part alone. To begin, I used the keychain links and put them together on top of the already keychain of the Triforce charm. Next, I created a semi-long length of chain and added it to the top for the now longer keychain piece. For safety, I added a lobster clasp so I can open and close this neck piece, aka a necklace with a keychain. Ta-da! Semi-tutorial. Alright, so next I wanted to add a few bottom pieces, so I decided to add a circular, what are these, ovally egg piece charms? I guess these are egg piece charms. So these egg piece charms, I attached them to the Triforce charms jump ring. So after I attached it to the jump ring, I changed one of them to have the lobster clasp. Then I took 3 super mega long chains and I attached it to these egg charms. And there you go. You want to make sure that you test this before going out, putting it on and taking it off, making sure that this body chain fits the way you want it to. And there you go. You have a brand new body chain off of a keychain and other broken jewelry pieces.
I love the way that these turned out. It is so nice to be able to take old keychains that I don't use or pendants, and especially old jewelry pieces if you have enough of them, to turn it into a body chain. I think body chains are so understated and lots of people like harnesses, but the more subtle version, I guess, is just to wear one of these. And I think it's so neat to have this. But yeah, this one with the choker was inspired by Bianca in our Hunka Miller haul. She actually got that choker with the charm and then the chains coming down. I was like, I need that. I need that. I want that. So I'm gonna make that. And that's what I did do. Wait. So that's what I did. I made my own version using my materials that I have at home. And of course you can replace all these things. You don't have to have it as a choker, as I showed in this one here. This one's actually more of a necklace form. And then instead of having chains here, you could actually use beads. Just make sure you have really strong string when you bead that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to check out other videos from the series as they come out. And remember to sow your stash, grow your stash. That's wrong. And for this slogan of the series, it's grow your stash, sow your stash. It's so much better when I have actually a mustache on, but yeah. I hope you guys really enjoy this series, and if you do, please leave a thumbs up. I'm constantly making content and slowly editing. It's not my best thing, but I do hope that you guys find enjoyment from it. And I enjoy making these too. I'm sorry, this is getting to be a really long video. Have a great day, sow your stash, grow your stash. Wait, I said it backwards. Alright, have a great day and grow your stash and sow your stash. I'm about to go get my birthday on.